Kids Kids.
We're going to do Cannonball Challenge. Who has the best cannonball? You can comment.
Cannonball! Cannonball! Me! Me! I'm competing!
Was that good?
I can do
Give
better
a
than
thumbs
that!
up.
I can do better than that!
Let me see. I don't believe you. Let me see.
Hobby guy! Hobby guy.
Hobby guy. Hobby guy.
That sounded more like a cannon
Oh, hobby pig. Hobby pig. Pig. Oh! Good job, bud.
All right, here we go.
Wow, he's still under. Oh, there he is. Yay!
A long way down there.
Okay, Hobby Guy's got a shark.
Load it. He's gonna use it.
Or not. Oh! Oh! Ah, nice. Oh! Hobby do. Hobby do.
Yeah. Oh, he's so cool.
Huh? Hobby do. Hobby do.
That's a great little floaty.
That was a good one. Woo! Woo!
Epic fail.
Hobby dad. Hobby dad. Hobby
What a
dad.
dinosaur.
Hobby pig. Hobby pig.
Whoa!
I turned the camera back on for that.
That's how the movie was.
That's
Oh,
basically
okay.
the movie.
Hey, I'm Hobby Dude and I'm gonna jump through this tiny hole.
That hole?
That hole.
It's gonna get
Right
stuck.
there.
Good up fast!
That's how big the hole is.
Hobby dude. Hobby dude. Hobby dude. Hobby dude. Oh, he threw the sunglasses in.
Careful those handles. These are the holes.
Good job! I cannot believe it. Yay!
I'm gonna jump through with the shark. This
Jump with Sharknado.
It was a journey, but I made it.
Did it scrape your sides?
Okay, here we are. Shark Week.
Hobby guy! Hobby guy! Hobby guy! Hobby guy!
I barely did it.
Barely did it!
Yeah,
Got it.
Now Hobby Dad's gonna try to go through that inner tube, tiny hole, diving. Ah!
Fantastic, man. That was awesome.
I felt like a turd.
Now you gotta jump on the shark and.
I think he did it on purpose.
Oh yeah, it must be the shirt. It's a shirt.
Hey, watch out, there's sharks jumping out of the water in this area.
Sharknado! It's the new upside down attack. It gets him every time.
Trying to survive on this. He's still on. He's hanging off my foot.
I'm still on.
Go, Hobby Dad, go.
Go, Hobby Dad. Go, Hobby Dad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo! Ready?
That was weird.
Wait, we need someone else because that was pretty fun. Come on, Bridge! You're the bridge! Come on, Bridge! Tread lightly, alright? Tread lightly! Kind of jump while you're walking over it then.
Hold your head still.
Don't smash his nose on the curb.
Hold your head still.
Alright, wow! He's getting a running start? He's gonna get a running start! Oh! Oh!
It's a good thing they're brothers.
Now what? What are you gonna do now?
Tie the leg.
Leg is stuck. Give a thumbs up if you can see his leg. Stuck. Oh, you were almost attacked by a shark.
That spring is new, isn't it?
That shark attacked you.
Oh.
You got now, Hobby Dude.
I am gonna jump through this.
Oh my
Next.
goodness. Your butt's gonna get stuck.
Yeah. Let's see how it goes.
I don't think you can do it. I don't think you can do it. He's gonna die.
Oh my goodness. You can do it!
Do
I'm so stuck! Oh my god! Oh! It's a good thing you're stuck in a floor.
Oh my goodness, that's
Someone feed him a fish!
oh my gosh.
Well, I did not make it through.
Oh my goodness, that was hilarious.
I think I stretched it out though.
Made it possible for the next guy.
Hobby Dad's gonna attempt it now.
Right when I jumped, like, oh man, that was a little too much fun.
He did it!
What? What?
I think we're gonna defy the laws of gravity and physics right now. He has
This I gotta see.
well-trained hobby guys next to him. Oh my god.
Watch out for the shark right there.
Probably gonna pop.
Hands first.
Oh my god!
Good job, man.
Did you do it?
It's on my knees.
Let's see. Are you a merman? How far
That's
up?
it,
Whoa! You did it! Well, halfway.
Halfway there. Need more olive oil.